Welcome to English exhibition. I'm Nagasri Lakshmi. My husband is working in OCP3, Singareni, around in the Maji 2 area. Actually, I'm here as a coordinator of this English Expo, and one of the coordinators here. Continue. Okay. One of the coordinators here, and actually this is a very good opportunity to me. And I had a touch with the versatile world of English here, along with my children from all the schools. And not only that, it's just a small trial to focus the importance of the correspondence between the grammatical use and the communicative use. So actually, 2/3 of world's correspondence is in English, and half of the newspapers are being printed in English. Not only that, 3/4 of world's broadcasts are being delivered in English. Such an important language the English is. So such important language is being explored here in a very easy manner and with very easy charts in a very easy understandable manner to the children. That's appreciable actually here. For example, here 40 canvases are there with 65 contents, nearly 65 contents. And for example, anagrams and real palindromes, rebus, oxymorons, such many discourse makers. Such 65 contents are here with American and British English words and all. These all charts are very helpful to the children. In which manner we have to say? You see, for example, if we take the oxymorons or anagrams, take the anagrams. If we have to explain the definition of an anagram to the child, we have to say that the transposition of letters of a word to form another word. This is the definition of an anagram. If we give this definition in the same way, the child may not take it in the right manner. It may look a little bit hard to the child, but if we explain the same anagram in such a manner with very simple words like epic and pious, edit and diet, in such simple words if we explain, the child will take them in a very easy manner. Such charts are many here in this expo. And one thing here we have to say, you might be known about the discourse makers. Here discourse makers means usually we will be using our language very fluently. When we are talking, we will use few words to fill up the gaps in between the sentences, like of course, well, such words. Such words are known as discourse makers. But the children don't know about most of these words. The right use of these words will add up a little essence to our language. So such all discourse makers are here in these charts. And not only these discourse makers, many other like puzzles, board games, and many are there here by which the children can play actually. The playway method is very, very important to the children. We know very well in our generations usually we learnt everything very happily and comfortably in a playing methods, not in a monotony way. Today the child could not learn the language in the traditional means. And one thing we have to say here, vocabulary tests are being a part of the aptitude test today. So such aptitude tests usually the children may not face in the right manner. If they go through all these charts, the child first will get the zeal to learn the language. That is a very important thing which we can see here. The very, very happiest thing with this expo is all of these charts are very easy understandable. That is the thing here. And hundreds of simpler words are being connected with this every word in the chart. And by that the children can learn very easily the language. And one thing here, that means the English is no longer a typical one for any child now. That is the important thing of this expo. And one more thing, in the traditional ways of learning of a language, whatever it is, whichever the language is, other than the mother tongue, will become a little bit typical to the child, because hardly the child will know the other language without knowing the meaning. That is the reason why the child will struggle hard for knowing or learning the other languages. But here, by this expo, with the help of all these charts being explored here, the child will get the interest first towards the language. And whenever the child gets the interest, automatically the child will be dragged towards the subject, and when he is dragged towards the subject, he tries to learn more and more, and no more he starts to think that language is a demon. So this is very good experiment actually to say in this colony area. And moreover, from our school, we have taken nearly all the high school students have come here, and I'm very happy to see all of our children rushing up towards the charts, pouring up many questions to the people there, and asking, going on and on the charts, noting down them in the books. By seeing all this, we were very happy, and they learned very well. I mean, they started to learn after coming to school. They started to take the dictionaries. They started to learn. They started to ask me many questions. Madam, shall we go for this? What is this word? What is that word? That means the child started to think over about the language first. That is the first step to learn anything. The interest, the questioning, the logic, the zeal. These are itself the basic points of any child to learn the things. So the first thing of this exhibition is, this exhibition created that zeal in the child. I'm very happy and thankful to this exhibition, first of all, as a principal of a school. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay,